Now I am.
Alright. My name is Timothy. We have to do names? Yeah, that's it. Alright, so this is new to my channel. We're doing challenges and we bought this from FYE.
It just smells good. Isaiah Moore.
He's usually the one behind the camera.
Yeah.
And this is his chick.
Chick. What's her name?
Carolynne. My name's Carolynne.
Oh, I broke mine too. Oh, I'm 84. Alright, so
Are we doing this all?
are we?
Well, who wants to go first? Any takers?
This would be fun.
I'll
Rock, paper,
go.
scissors?
I'll go first, but out of you two, you guys have to go first.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Damn.
I'm going second.
It's not fun. I don't know.
I think it's disgusting.
Oh yeah, I just put one in my mouth.
Dude, yours tastes like a soup cup. Did it? Alright, I'll be on there. Or like a pencil, actually. Pencil. More like a pencil, going toward a pencil. Don't you think? Yeah. Well, this challenge is dumb.
Like, I could put like 5 of these in my mouth.
Alright, now it's... This is Melvana. This is my sister. And it's her turn. One! Just one! We all did it! Come on.
Popcorn or something.
Cheesy popcorn.
Yeah. Cheddar.
Eat it! Give it to the turtle, go.
Dude, I wonder if the turtle actually eats that. Dude, what do you mean if it's turtle?
No, not for Uruguay. Alright. Look at it. What it tastes like? You good?
Why does it have wood in it?
It's not really wood.
That's not wood. That's actually poop.
It's the inside.
Oh, dude, that's my floor!
Dude, Tim, let's take a handful. And just do it.
Alright.
Even. You drop some.
Finish this.
No.
Let's finish this challenge
That's disgusting.
with a bang. Come over here. Come over here.
I'm missing it.
Alright. Yours.
Why do we have to get so close? Yummy.
Alright. One.
Looks like macaroni and cheese.
Ready? Ready?
Go ahead.
All for it?
You want to go first? Or
No, both.
Okay,
At the same
ready to
time.
go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Dude, like popcorn. Oh my gosh.
No, it's the thought behind that. I'm eating worms.
It actually tastes
Okay,
really good.
so I'm done with this challenge. Goodbye. See ya.